Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to see chapter 4 using Excel as database. So first of all, let us know about database. So database is a collection of information related to particular subject. Like you can take the example of the student's report, right? Or maybe it may be a student's records like their name, their parents' name and that all. Okay, and with that, yes, we can take the example of employees, right? तो employees का भी record रखा जाता है, so that we can do with the help of the database, and in that also in an organized manner, right? So organized means that you can do sorting, filtering and everything. Okay, so let us start. So first of all, you can see over here the columns, right? आपको यहाँ column दिख रहे हैं, right? English, Hindi, Maths, that all are known as the field. Okay, they are known as the field and the rows are known as the record. Okay, so here what is the difference? यानी field और row में या record में what is the difference? So in the field you will see only a single data type it is given. Okay, one type of data only you will see, like English, so in that the marks of English only you will see. In Hindi then you will see the marks of Hindi only. Okay, while in records आपको क्या मिलेगा? Of individual person, the whole record you will get it over there, like उसके सारे subject के marks and with that total and percentage you can get it over there. Okay, so that is known as the record. Okay, now how to use the form to enter the data. You must be knowing that database we can do it in Access, but now we are also going to do in Excel. So let's see. So first of all, for the form, what we needed form. So if you are not having, अगर आपके पास नहीं है, then what you have to do? You have to go for more commands. In that quick access toolbar, you have the option. Okay, and in that you will go with all commands. अब जैसे ही all commands करोगे, here it will change to all commands and you will see all the commands which are there. Okay, from that you have to select form. Okay, आपको क्या select करना है? Form. So you will click F and then you will go for form. You can see that everything is in order, right? तो आपको यहाँ order में ही दिख रहा है. So you can see your form. Click on add. आपको add पर click करना है. I've already added. You can see over here. So click on add and then click on OK. Now after that, you will go to any of the record. आप record पे जाओगे. Like here you can see that I have clicked on 101, right? After that I will go to form. Now in this, how to add a new record, right? So how you will add a new record? So you'll go for new record over there and you will start writing like 110. I will write it. Then I will write the name. Okay. Then so like this you can use the tab key also. आप tab key का use कर सकते हो. Okay, and you can complete it. देखो जैसे ही मैंने complete किया, you will see over here the record is added over here in the Excel, right? After that there is also the option of find previous and next, right? तो previous record पे वो चला जाएगा. If you want to go for the next, so it will go to the next record. Okay, even you can delete the record. अगर आपको record delete करने हैं, right, from the form आपको delete करना है, then you can delete also. Okay, and the last but not the least, that is to search the record. Many of the times you must have seen that we are having many of the records, 1200 or 500 records, and from that you have to find it any one. तो आप कैसे करोगे? So what you will do, you will go to criteria. आप criteria में चले जाओगे and you will write it over there. Okay, so just I will go for form again because many of the times it happens कि वो search नहीं करता. So yes, we will go with that and click on criteria. अब मैंने क्या किया? I will just click on 104 or maybe 105 and press enter key. You can see all the things which are there in the record. आपको सारा ही दिखेगा. हेमंत 96, 98. You can see, you can tell you over here, right? तो ऐसे आप search कर सकते हो. You can search it. Okay. Now we'll go with the sorting. Sorting means what? That you can do the sorting in ascending or descending order of the numbers. Numbers are known as the values. Please remember. तो वो cell values में उसे क्या करेगा? It will be from largest to smallest or smallest to largest. While in alphabet क्या होगा? Ascending and descending order. Okay, it may be in ascending or descending order. I'll just sorted this thing properly. मैं इसे sort कर दूंगी. So you can see here it is in descending order. So what we will do? We will just select this part, go to the sort. Data में आपको sort and filter group मिलेगा. In that you will click on sort and filter आई विल जस्ट रिमूव दिस ऑल, मैं इसको डिलीट कर देती हूँ एंड आई विल स्टार्ट विद द न्यू. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल गो विद द नेम. हमें नेम के साथ जाना है एंड इन दैट यू विल सी A to Z और Z to A. तो हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू गो विद A to Z बिकॉज ऑलरेडी इट इज इन, लाइक यू कैन चेंज इट ओवर हियर. मैं क्लिक ऑन ओके करूंगी. देखिए आप लोग, you just see it properly over here. You can see that alphabetical order में वो नहीं है. So click on OK. So now it is in alphabetical order. Okay. Now we will go back. हम लोग Control Z करेंगे या फिर हम लोग sorting भी फिर से कर सकते हैं इस चीज का. So now what we wanted, we want to do multi sorting. अगर हमें multi sorting, now you must be thinking multi sorting means what? तो यहाँ grouping करना है, हमें grouping करना है इस चीज का. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will just delete. मैं यहाँ सारा ही डिलीट कर लूंगी एंड नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट विथ ओवर हियर कि मैं रोल नंबर, सॉरी, रोल नंबर इन दैट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल गो विद द नेम. हम लोग नेम के अकॉर्डिंग जाएंगे एंड देन वी विल ऐड द लेवल दैट इज रोल नंबर. अब रोल नंबर ऐड करेंगे तो यस, इफ यू आर गोइंग बाय स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट तो वो क्या करेगा, जैसे मेरे पास आर से दो नाम है, सो व्हाट इट विल डू कि वो सॉर्टिंग करेगा उसे स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट, राइट. तो देखिए, राइट, तो आपको दिख रहा होगा कि यहाँ अंजू एंड अंकिता, तो 101 एंड 107 यू कैन सी ए, राइट. देन हियर यू कैन सी के, तो 104 और 106. रचना एंड रंजना, सो हियर यस यू कैन सी इट ओवर हियर. देयर इज द डिफरेंस बिकॉज यहाँ RAC है और इधर RAN है. प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट थिंग. ओके, तो ये चीज है. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दैट वी आर हैविंग फिल्टरिंग. ओके, अब फिल्टर, यहाँ आपको मैं फिल्टर दिखा दूं. दैट फिल्टर फॉर दैट वी आर हैविंग ओवर हियर. आई विल जस्ट गो विद Control Z. मैं यहाँ Control Z कर लेती हूँ एंड यस वी विल गो विद दिस ऑप्शन दैट इज फिल्टर. ओके, सो व्हाट यू आर हैविंग हियर, यू विल हैव द फिल्टर. तो आपके सारे कॉलम हेडिंग्स और यू कैन से द फील्ड, वहां आपको ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू दिखेगा. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन इट एंड यू कैन गो फॉर द फिल्टर. आप यहाँ से फिल्टर सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, सिलेक्ट ऑल निकाल देना है एंड यू वांट टू सिलेक्ट कि हाँ भाई मुझे सिर्फ डेटा वही चाहिए दैट इज 75 एंड 86. तो दोज हु आर हैविंग द मार्क्स 75 एंड 86, तो वो रिकॉर्ड्स ही मुझे चाहिए, राइट, इन दैट सब्जेक्ट. So you can see it has been filtered. यहाँ आपको filter होकर यहाँ दिख जाएगा. Okay, so this way you can do the auto filter. This is called auto filter because automatically it is being done. You are just selecting. अगर आपको clear करना है, yes, you can go for the clear option. Okay, and if you want to remove it the filter, तो आपको क्या करना है, you have to select and click on filter, so it will be removed from there. Okay, now we will go with the advanced filter. Now advanced filter means that is also known as custom filter. So here you are given the condition. आप यहाँ condition दे रहे हो और उसके according आपको data चाहिए. अगर आपको copy करना है, right, if you want to copy, तो आप copy भी कर सकते हो filtering. So here what you can see कि मैंने यहाँ name, department, designation and salary I have given over there. Now what I have to do when I want to apply advanced filter, I have to leave 3 rows. Why 3 rows? Because we are going to give the condition over there and according to that we will get the result of advanced filter. तो यहाँ मैं ये जो column headings है, that is the column heading or you can say the field, that we will copy and paste it. Now I will tell you everything related to it. मैं जैसे जैसे आगे जाएगा I will explain you why we have to do this thing. Okay, and now we will give the condition. अब हमारी condition क्या है, equal to it may be 15,000. Okay, कि जिसकी सैलरी 15,000 है उसका ही रिकॉर्ड मुझे चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट ओनली दैट रिकॉर्ड. सो यू नो वेरी वेल कि हाँ यहाँ क्या है, प्रिया प्रोडक्शन एंड दिस ऑल थिंग्स. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि नेम, डिपार्टमेंट और इसकी क्या जरूरत थी. वी नीडेड, व्हाई, बिकॉज वी वांट द होल रिकॉर्ड ऑफ दैट पर्सन, राइट. जिसकी सैलरी 15,000 है उसका पूरा रिकॉर्ड हमें चाहिए. सो वी हैव टू कॉपी एंड पेस्ट इट ओवर हियर एवरीथिंग and we have to keep the space over here. अब हम क्या करेंगे, we will go with advanced, that is in data, and now we will go with copy to another location. हमें क्या करना है, we want to copy that same thing at another place. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will select the list. Now in list you can see कि हमें list क्या select करना है, you can see over here that I've selected from A4 to the D13. Why D13? Because we want the record, right? So we needed name, department, designation and salary. So we cannot go directly. हमें condition अगर 15,000 और किसी का भी हो सकता है. So what we have to do? We have to select the whole data, right? All the data, and then you have to go for the criteria. अब criteria हमने क्या दिया है? कहाँ दिया है? Where we have given the criteria? We have given the criteria over here, right? So that is from A1 to D2. Why? Because we needed the field name, or you can say the column heading also, and with that there we want the condition also. तो हमारी condition क्या है? 15,000. Okay. Now where we want to copy? हमें ये copy करना है यहाँ, right? That is from F6 to I6. क्यों हमें F6 से I6 चाहिए? Why we needed from F6 to I6? Because we needed, यहाँ आपको दिख रहे होंगे कितने columns है? We are having 4 columns. Okay. So here we will go with this. You can also go with another one. मैं यहाँ से कर सकती हूँ. Okay. Just I will change it the place. Okay. And now I will remove this area. And what I will do, click on OK. You got the output. आपको यहाँ output मिल गया. Instead of that, you can go with 12,000, 8,000. Okay. तो यहाँ just मैं 8,000 लिख रही हूँ, but you just tell me equal to you have to give it. Please remember 8,000 कर दिया. अब आप सोचिए output and just tell me in the comment box. Okay. Now the next one is related to data validation. अब data validation यानी क्या? Validation means you have to follow some rules and according to that you will get the output. Okay. तो यहाँ आपको दिख रहा होगा that you can see the values that is out of 100, right? You can get give the marks from 0 to 100. तो हम लोग इसी को select कर लेते हैं. We will select this area and we will go with the data validation. So we will click on data tools and data validation. Now we have to do the setting for whole number. So in that whole number means you know that decimal नहीं आएगा. So yes, we wanted कि वो 0 से 100 के बीच में ही हो, right? The numbers, that is the values or maybe the marks, that must be from 0 to 100. Okay. Now ये तो हो गया, हमने validation दे दिया, but we want that कि input message, एक message भी आए, right? For that कि other person can understand that what we have to do. Because we don't know that which type of error it is. तो हमने यहाँ क्या लिख दिया? We have written your validation and then we are giving the input message that it must be greater than 0 and less than equal to 100. Okay. So this is our condition. तो ये condition हम क्या करेंगे? Message box में ये आएगा. It will come in the message box. Now error alert. So it will be stop, यानी stop करने के लिए यहाँ आपको बहुत सारे warning या फिर जो भी आपको लेना है. Here stop I have given. Now in that the error message will be what? What will be the error message? That is about the input, right? क्या आपने input क्या दिया? You have taken the input that is wrong. Input is wrong. Okay. So click on OK and then you can see कि हाँ सभी जगह पे जहाँ जहाँ आप click करोगे you will see the validation. Now if you want to check it, let us do the checking. तो मैंने यहाँ 115 लिख दिया. What you can see that your input is wrong. Retry. So what it will do, यहाँ आपको फिर से वो accept नहीं करेगा. It will not accept it till when you are not giving according to the validation. Okay. Now we will go with the minus. हम लोग negative में भी दे लेते हैं. Again it is the same thing, right? तो negative भी वो नहीं लेगा. So what we have to do? Again we have to change that record. Okay. तो ये देखो data validation. Have you understand about it? And please, if you have understand, please like, share and subscribe my channel and give the comments. Okay. Now subtotal. अब subtotal यानी क्या है? Here subtotal means that you have to analyze, then you have to extract some of the part, right? तो हमें extract करना है. Right, you can see over here one data in that sales executive month and sales. हमें subtotal निकालना है according to the month और sales executive को हम लोग उसके according हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will get the total. Right, so we will do the grouping of it. तो हमें क्या करना है? We have to go to the outline group in that subtotal. Now I want it according to the month. मैंने पहले ही बता दिया that I want that the month according to the month we wanted, and in that total it will do the total of what sales. So इसका total वो करेगा. Okay. So yes, we are doing the grouping. You can see the grouping. Okay. So October and November, you can see the total of it and then the grand total of both October and November. Okay. So this way you can do the subtotal. Now the last part, that is about the pivot table. Okay. तो pivot table हमें क्यों करना है? Why? Because again the summarizing of it and presenting the data, right? हमें present करना है data को. So what we have to do? It is used for combining the things also and to summarize that thing. तो चलिए start करें. So first of all what you will do? You will select the whole data, right? पूरा data आप select करोगे. Okay. Then you will go to insert and in that pivot table, tables group में. Now you can see the range. आपको यहाँ range दिख रही है that whatever you have selected. Click on OK. New worksheet में वो आएगा. If you want an existing तो आप existing भी select कर सकते हो. Existing means जहाँ आप work कर रहे हो, right? But I am going with a new. Okay. Here you can see that what I wanted according to name, designation and salary. मुझे ये तीन चीजें चाहिए. Why? Because इसमें से दो या तो department wise हो सकता है या designation wise. So we have selected designation. Okay. Now we have to do the grouping. तो हमें grouping किसके हिसाब से करना है? According to the designation. Okay. So yes, you can see over here कि अब designation कहाँ आ गया? In the columns. First of all it was in the rows, but हमने क्या किया? उसे change किया. We have taken in the columns. And now you can see the grouping. कि यहाँ record आपको जो total दिख रहा है, grand total from all the sides you can see, both the sides, that is according to the names and this one is according to the designation. We can also do the option of department. तो हम लोग designation छोड़ देंगे and we will go with the department. So now what we will do? We will take the department over here. Okay. And now according to the department, the grand total you will see it and it will do the tally also. How it will do the tally? यहाँ से वो total करेगा and from here also horizontal and vertical, and you can check it. Okay. So yes, I think so you must have understand about all the things which have been covered in this chapter. It is very easy if you are doing dedicatedly. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so you can get the notification about my new videos. Thank you.